So this is a thread the needle exercise, but it's using the foam roller. So thread the roller. It's really nice for someone that maybe doesn't have the mobility or doing it without the foam roller. It doesn't feel comfortable. They have a hard time sliding. So I really like using the foam roller just because it brings your hand a little bit closer to your body. You don't have to reach as far. And plus you can really just get comfortable sitting your butt back towards your heel. I'm gonna do it with the thumb facing up. And now I just really want you to focus on getting your mid-back moving, get your shoulder blades moving. You can even get to the point where you feel a stretch. Take a deep breath. Even rotate further. Really just trying to twist your body while keeping your butt back. You can do the same thing. This is a little bit harder to do without the roller, and that's why I like the roller. Take a deep breath. And rotate. And then you can also just move through it as well. You have both options. That's what's really nice. I'll show the other direction as well. Here. If you want to make it golf specific, you can always keep your head down. Getting a little bit of dissociation, rotating your body on your head and neck. So for foam rolling your mid-back, you can either have your hands across your chest like this, or you can have your hands here just to support your head and neck. You have both options. What we're gonna start with is we're just gonna work small areas at a time. So I started at the bottom of the middle of my back. You don't need to go any further lower. And then to move, what you do is you just lift your butt up off the ground and then just roll up or down. And then before you actually bend over the foam roller, put your butt back down on the ground and then just arch over it nice and slow, whatever feels comfortable, and then work your way down. We're just gonna do one small area at a time. I want you to work all the way up to in the middle of your shoulder blades to whatever feels comfortable. And then from here, we're just gonna do some big sweeps. So from the middle of your back, all the way to the top of your shoulder blades. And honestly, you can put as much pressure as you want, whatever feels comfortable. You shouldn't have any pain with this. This is just to help open up that middle back and help to get things moving.
Some keys for the prone liftoff. Ensure you have proper shoulder mobility first. This should be pain-free. You should be getting some extension from the thoracic spine, but make sure you're not getting any from the lumbar spine. You shouldn't be feeling your low back work at all. Think about pulling your scapula down and back. Try and point that inferior border of the scapula down into the mat. And don't shrug your shoulders up.
During the overhead carry, you want to get maximum serratus anterior and lower trap activation. One of the cues I like to use is to point the bottom part of your scapula forward. This gets maximum scapular external rotation and post tilt. What you don't want to use is overuse your upper trap. Maintain a window.